Go ahead. Turn it. Push it all the way to the floor. 2001 Dodge Ram V6 Magnum. Not starting. I have fuel and spark. Anybody could help me, I appreciate it. Turn it over again. That's good. Dodge Ram V6 Magnum 2001. I have spark. Fuel pressure is not the best. See if you guys could help me out with this. I don't know if it's crank sensor, if the gauge is moving on the RPMs, so it's not that. I got spark and I got coil. I have some fuel pressure, but it was running. It ran out of gas, and now it won't start. So send me a comment, see what you think could help me fix it. Thank you.